Do you know what really surprises me about many businesses? It is how underrated their CRM or customer relationship management system is. Some of them do not even have one. CRM has evolved a long way since the days of rolodex or Excel sheet. There are now cloud-based systems that are free but do a great job. Your CRM is your business intellectual property. If it is managed correctly, your sales process will be managed more accurately and your marketing campaign will be more efficient and effective. I have to admit, when I first became a sales rep, I hated it, but disciplined enough to maintain it correctly. Later, I discovered the power of CRM when it is done correctly. If you would like to learn how to set up your CRM correctly, message me on LinkedIn.